So, your baby has grown up and turned into a dog. Just kidding. Hi, I'm Stephanie.
And I'm Joe.
And this is Thule. And we are here to show you how to install your Indi toddler rail on your Indi crib. All you need is a household screwdriver, a mallet like this, which you can buy on our website. If you don't have one, that's okay. We do send you a rubber hammer cap that can go on a household hammer. And yeah, we're gonna remove the mattress from the crib and get started.
Let's do it.
Oh, we need to remove the dog as well.
Remove the baby first.
So the first step that you'll need to do is take your household screwdriver and just remove the hardware from all four corners of the mattress panel. Then remove your mattress panel by using the finger holes and just tilt it a little bit. We find it easiest to get it out and leave it that way. And set it aside. And then remove your four mattress support pins.
All right. Next, you're going to separate the top of the crib from the base of the crib by simply lifting up on the sides. If your crib doesn't separate, you may need your mallet to give it a tap.
Okay, once you have separated the top, just set it aside like this. Don't drop it on your foot. And just move your base out of the way. So now you want to remove your original crib rail, and the way you do that is by pulling up to loosen the connections. If you need to, you can use your mallet to tap the side panels while pulling up on the side rail, and that will help loosen it.
Repeat on the remaining side.
So you can set this aside, you're not going to need it anymore. Okay, now you insert the toddler rail. All you have to do is line up the green connectors with the slots on either side. You can flare out the sides if you need to a little bit. And just use the bottommost connectors. And then, yeah, once everything is lined up, you're going to push down on both sides to lock into place.
Now bring back your base.
And then lift your assembled top. Okay, so line up the green connectors on the bottom edges with the green holes on the base. And you can just like walk around and check that everything is lined up. And you'll feel when it starts to go in. You see how it kind of dropped? So once everything is lined up, all you really have to do is push down to lock it into place. So if you have a little gap here, all you have to do is take your mallet or your hammer with hammer cap and just tap upward on the base to close that connection. Okay, so now you're going to insert your mattress support pins, 2 for you, Joe, 2 for me, and you want to make sure that you're putting them in the bottommost holes because that will make the mattress sit low for your toddler bed. Insert your mattress support bolt with the smooth side going into the hole. Grab your mattress panel and insert it so that the mattress pins go into the 4 holes at each corner. All right, the last step is to insert your hardware to secure your mattress panel in place. Stack your washers on your mattress support bolt and secure it into place with a screwdriver. Repeat that step on your 3 remaining corners. And the last step is to just reinsert your mattress. And there you go, you have a toddler bed.
Just make it cozy for your tot.
For your tot. See you later.